Stop. Hi, my name is Alfred Utton, and I am finishing up my second year as English language fellow here in Bishkek, the capital city of Kyrgyzstan. This year, I am here at the beautiful campus of Arabayev University. I'm finishing up my second semester now here at Arabayev. So as an English language fellow, I came here at two major focuses. English language fellow program is part of a program organized by the United States State Department to do goodwill diplomacy or citizen diplomacy. So a good part of why I came here a good part of why I came here was to share what life is like in the United States, as well as to learn what life is like here in Kyrgyzstan, so that I can go home to the US and tell about what life is like. And like I've been making posts on Facebook and some Instagram posts about, you know, what is my experience here as an American living in Kyrgyzstan. So my first semester here at Arabayev, I taught primarily methodology, how to teach English as a second language. So I was teaching future teachers about how to teach English while I was teaching them English, and that was an interesting experience. It really got me to think about how language works and how to communicate about language to people who are learning language as well. But in addition to teaching methodology last semester, I also taught a speaking class that was just speaking class. And then I also worked with, I did teacher training. I've been doing teacher training actually my entire time here. So like I said earlier, that one of the things that I've been doing, that I did at KSTU, I did teacher training there, but I've also been doing teacher training here at Arabayev. And that has been really exciting, to get to work with other teachers. So before I came to Kyrgyzstan, I taught in, I worked in Saudi Arabia for 6 years. And a while ago, I worked at a university in Costa Rica for a few years. But this was the first time when I was doing teacher training that I got to work with other teachers.
Good afternoon.
Right, so people in Kyrgyzstan sing and dance together all the time. And that was a really exciting experience for me. And I really enjoyed doing teacher training. I also did a talking club for a while. This semester, I focused mainly on doing IELTS prep for the teachers. And then with the students, I did a lot of just mainly a speaking class. And that was a lot of fun. I really enjoy teaching speaking. It's probably my favorite thing to teach, next to grammar. So I love Kyrgyzstan. It's an absolutely beautiful country. It actually reminds me a lot of home. So I'm from Colorado, famous for its mountains. And after living for 6 years in Saudi Arabia, it has been wonderful to be in a country that has the landscapes that's so similar to like what I'm used to back home in Colorado. Kyrgyzstan is an absolutely gorgeous country. This next week, I am taking a train with a friend of mine down to Issyk, a very famous lake here in Kyrgyzstan, and I'm excited about seeing more of the landscape here. So like in terms of my experience in Kyrgyzstan outside of my time at the universities, I have a liaison here at Arabaya, my counterpart. His name is Adalet, and he's absolutely fantastic. He's been really helpful the whole year. And earlier this semester, he organized a trip with one of the groups of students, AK 124, to go to the American University of Central Asia, where we saw a guest lecturer deliver a talk about birding. And he was so we went to go see this guy, share his passion for for birding and being a birder. And I decided then that that's something that I cared about, that I wanted to try to get into. So for the past few months, so he told us at the lecture about an app called Dawn Chorus, which encourages citizen scientists to make recordings of bird songs. So I've been walking around Bishkek and other parts of Kyrgyzstan making recordings of birds. And I've recorded over 300 recordings of different bird songs in my time since then. And I've recorded 30 different birds, 30 different species of birds. Bishkek has a lot of common mynas and great tits, and obviously a lot of pigeons, but the two most common songbirds in Bishkek are definitely myna birds and great tits. And it is amazing to be able to walk around the city and about bird songs. And I mean, I'll also take a profound appreciation for the people of Kyrgyzstan and my experience here. And I'm gonna be here for another month, but I'm done teaching now, and that kind of makes me sad because I'll miss the time that I spent with my students here. And I've had teaching here, particularly working with the undergrads and teaching this speaking, has really brought me a lot of joy. And I'm sad that part of my life is over, and that's one of the things that I'll miss as I
Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a
Shine bright like a diamond. So shine bright.